Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WordPress website hosted on Bluehost. So if you log into your Bluehost dashboard by going to my.bluehost.com and then go to My Sites here, then click on Manage Site. If you go to the Backup tab here, you will see these two options offered by Bluehost, but these two are paid plans. So today I'm going to show you how you can use a WordPress plugin to schedule automatic backups completely for free. First, log into the WordPress dashboard area here, and from here go to plugins, click on add new. Now here in the search bar, search for a plugin called Updraft and press enter. Here, this is the plugin we need. This is the first option, Updraft Plus. Here you can see I have already installed and activated it. If you have not, you will see an option like this, install now. So just simply click on install now. Then you will have to click again on the activate option. After activating your plugin, in the left sidebar, go to settings. From here, go to Updraft Plus. Here you will see an option to backup your WordPress website. If you want to create a manual backup, let's say before doing some update or before installing a new plugin or theme, you can create a manual backup by clicking here, and then you can set this option, take this option. If you're doing some crucial update, that this backup can be deleted only manually. So click on backup now. The backup is complete. Just close it, and here you will see all the backups available. So I will click on show all backups, and here you can see this is the backup I just created. Okay, so this was the manual backup. Now to create automatic backups, go to settings here. Here on this page you will have to select the schedule of your automatic backup. So let's say I want to create an automatic backup every week. So I will first select this, and then I will select how many backups I want to retain. So I want to retain the last 4 backups. So I will select 4 here, and similarly for database also I will select weekly and then select 4 here. Okay. Then you will have to select a cloud storage where you want to upload the backup. So let's say I will select Google Drive. This will also save space on your server. So all automatic backups are deleted from your local storage and only retained on the cloud storage you select. Now scroll down, and here just keep these things as default. Now you can take this option if you want to get notified whenever automatic backup is created. Just take this option. Then click on Save Changes. After this, you will have to authorize this plugin to access your Google Drive account. Just click on this link, log into your Gmail account. Now you will have to authorize this plugin. You can see what all permissions it requires. Then click on Allow, and the setup is complete. Just click here. And just scroll down, and you can see the success message that you have authenticated your Google Drive account. And that's how simple it is to schedule automatic backups of your WordPress website. So this is a very simple and easy way to do it. And there is another method to create backup of your WordPress website from the cPanel. For that you will have to go to the advanced area here. I will show you the complete tutorial in my next video if you guys want. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Do post your feedback in the comments area, and I will see you in the next video.